Hello, fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and we are reviewing long multiplication. And it is a fourth grade standard that you, my dear students, are able to multiply a multi-digit number by one digit and a two-digit number by a two-digit number. So in this video, we're going to review both of them. And fourth graders, it's very important that we are understanding what we are solving, what we are trying to answer. So here we have 621 times 8. The question is asking us, what is this number that is 621 times as many as 8? Could that number be smaller than 8 or smaller than 621? It's not possible because it is 621 times as many as 8 or 8 times as many as 621. So it has to be a number bigger than those two numbers. So how do we solve a problem like this? We have to remember our place values. Okay, so for me, I'm going to look at 621 and I'm going to multiply 8 to the place value of each digit. So this 621 is going to be multiplied by 8, and 621 is made of 1 and 2 tens and 6 hundreds. Okay, now I need to multiply each of these numbers by the factor 8, and that is going to get me to the answer. So 8 one time is 8. 8 20 times, think about it, 8 two times, that's 16. So 8 20 times, that would be 160. And it's very important that we keep the digits lined up based on their place value. Now, I'm going to push those numbers a little bit to the side, so I'm going to write it again. 8, 160, cross these out, because now we're talking about 608 times. Well, 608 times, that's a big number, so let's go with 6 8 times. 6 8 times, that would be 48. So if it was in hundreds, that would be 4800 or 4800. Now that I multiplied the 8 to each of my place value, to each digit, and remembering its place value, now I can add these numbers to find that number that is 8 times as many as 621 or 621 times as many as 8. So what is that number? We have to add our digits. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 tens plus none is 6 tens. 100 plus 800, that's 900. And 4,000, stays the same. So that means that 4,968 is that number that we were wondering about, that is 621 times as many as 8 or 8 times as many as 621. So that is what we need to do when we're multiplying, when we are doing long multiplication. We have to remember the place value of each digit and know that we're looking for a bigger number that is times as many as the other. All right, so now let's go to the next one here. We have 37 21 times. So we want to find out this number that is 37 times as many as 21. Since I phrased it this way, we want to find 37 times as many as 21. I'm going to look at 21. 21 is made of 20 plus 1, right? Now, I'm going to have to multiply 21 times by 37. So let's circle the first digit of 37, 7. So that means I'm going to multiply the 20 by 7 and the 1 by 7, right? Because we want to find 37 times as many as 21. So we're going to multiply by 7 first. 7 20 times, that's big. So let's think in a simpler way. 2 times 7, that's 14. So 20 times 7, that would be 140. And 7 times 1 is 7. And I have purposely made sure that my digits are lining up, right? Otherwise, I'm going to get the wrong answer. So we multiplied by the 7. Now let's multiply by the 30. Okay, so we need to multiply 21 again by 30 this time. All right, so 30 times 1, that's easy. That's just 30. And I'm lining up my digits. The 0 goes with the 1s and the 3 goes with the 10s. Now, 30 times, well, let's go with 2 times 3. 2 times 3, that's 6, right? So 20 times 30, that would be 600, right? Because 2 times 3, that's 6. 10 times more is 60. 60 10 times is 600. So now, making sure that I'm adding my digits correctly, 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 tens plus 4 tens, that's 77. 100 plus 600, that's 777. So what is that mystery number that is 37 times as 21? That is 777 is that number that is 37 times as big as 21. So remember, fourth graders, that each digit has a place value, and use that strategy. If you are multiplying one digit to a multi-digit number, make sure you circle that one digit and that you're multiplying it to each digit, keeping in mind its place value. If you're multiplying two digit by two digit, circle one digit, so you remember that you're multiplying it to the other factor, and then circle the other one and repeat the steps that you have seen. We're going to practice this skill this week, so keep working hard. We are close to the end. It's not time to give up. I'll see you next time. Thank you.